coconut. KSG. Federal 7.5 shot birdshot. Let's see what happens. We'll be doing this test with the Kel-Tec KSG 16-inch barrel. Put in the heart analog there, the chicken breast. We use that as a heart analog, just something to represent a heart. See what it does damage to. And I've cut out a little bit of area there so I can shoot through the container. I don't want that to affect the test. As you know, as controlled as we can get here. You can see the arm analog there. This is going to represent, you know, having to shoot through the bad guy's arm. So I've added a little bit of denim, 2 layers. Over the, we'll say it's over the arm, and you know, 2 layers on the back side of the arm, so it's a total of 4 layers. So I see some pellets. I see some pellets right in here already. That's a severed rib right there. This was the analog for the hand, or for the arm. And I'm not sure what that was. There's pellets everywhere. But it definitely blew through both. It blew through both ribs. You can see there's one, there's 2 right there. You feel it. Blew through both of those. I think this might be the top half of that. No, that's just skin. This right here is the other set of ribs. This was the actual analog for the rib cage. And it just put a hole right through it, severed 1, 2, 3 ribs are severed. There's 1 on top that's still intact. There was 4 in there. Wait, 1, yeah, that one was already cut. It's pretty nasty. So, put a hole through 3 ribs. birdshot everywhere. Let's get to the heart analog. There's the wad. It pretty much split the heart in half right here. The wad stuck right in the heart. So, I mean, even the wad at close range, to me, that is potential deadly. That went through, the wad itself went through 2 ribs, big ribs. I used big ribs to simulate an arm, and a rib cage, as well as clothing, and it embedded right in our heart analog. It almost split that heart in 2. And there's, you know, meat and bone fragments all from the heart right there. Let's see, here's the second part of the heart analog. You see there's another big hole right through it.